Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. You're gonna get the 2018 Advent calendar from Hot Wheels. That's 24 days. So this is the box. Everything is already out. Already did it all. At this point, it is the 24th after all. So I did it every single day. These fold out and make a stand so you can prop it open. You'll see here what I mean in a moment here. So there it is. So this thing comes down like so. Then you have like a little play set. And if you have all your items or presents that come out of here every single day. And that's what I mean by the prop. You can fold these out. But I'm using the wall. So there we go. So I'll go through everything quickly. The full description of all the names and stuff of the items or presents that were in here are in the description. So no particular order. Here is the Rev Rod. So this one's plastic body, metal base. It's pretty cool. Check out my blog. There'll be more photos and whatnot. It'll be probably a better way to view the items more closely. Anyways, here's the Carbide. Plastic body as well, metal body, pretty sweet. Now all these cars are multi-pack exclusive, by the way. So you won't find these in the main line. Here's the F1 Racer, metal body, plastic base, pretty sweet. All right, moving on. Here's the RD08, plastic body, metal base. One of these also came with these attachments, were pretty cool. These are, I guess, like a snow plow. Comes off pretty easily. Has a little indent, so snaps on in pretty much any Hot Wheels car, almost any. That's pretty cool. Next, you got the Bedlam, plastic body, metal base with this thing as well. It has these snow tracks that are also attachable. So pretty cool. I can get it back on there, maybe not. Of course, it doesn't roll too well with the snow tracks. But anyways, next you have, I forgot what this guy was called. Torque screw, that's right. So metal body, plastic base. It has the skis, also attachable. All right. Next up, we got the Midnight Otto. Now this one has 4 days worth of presents. So of course this is one day, this is another day, and the reindeers are all separate days. Now look at the description if you don't understand what I'm trying to say. But anyways, metal body, plastic base on this thing. Pretty sweet. Then of course you got the Reindeer Sleigh. Connect that back on. The reindeers are of course detachable because they had to be when you get them, when you open them out of the box. Moving on. We got Dieselboy, metal body, plastic base there. Pretty cool. The plastic is actually like a swirl with black and brown. Mostly brown though. This casting used to be metal on metal, I think, or at least the engine part was metal. Not anymore. And then you also got these skis. It's an all plastic construction. Pretty cool. And actually has little wheels on there, so it's very smooth. It actually rolls really well. And of course, you could attach, say, the Dieselboy on there. So that's pretty sweet. All right, moving on. Now those are all the cars. You got 8 cars in total. Everything else were like the little other items, the additions, and these little items like this gas pump with the Santa hat. All right. You also got the Snowman. It looks like it's a Lego compatible. Pretty cool. You got this Yeti. Very long arms. All right. I got these Christmas tree drag lights. All right. Then you got an actual Christmas tree. Oops. Now, for whatever reason, it has these little prongs coming out, like little hands. I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe it's to be compatible with Legos. I'm not quite sure. But if you do know, let me know. You also got a snow ramp, which is pretty sweet. So you can take whatever car you want, go over, enough for something like that. I'm not quite sure what this is for, though. I don't know if it's a whole place to put your finger or if it's compatible with something else. Not entirely sure. Alright, next toy. Well, not really a toy, but a collector pin. It's all plastic though. That's pretty cool. Happy holidays. And lastly, nothing too special, but I got traffic cones. So yep. And then with all that, you can play on your box. Stand everything up here, right? There we go. So that's everything. Again, check out my blog for photos in the description for the full list of items and descriptions. Alright, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.